Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin & Scott Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
Located amongst all Boronia has to offer, with schools, shops, public transport, parklands and a range of great cafes and restaurants, all walking distance, is this fantastic property. Offering open plan living and dining, a well-appointed kitchen with ample cupboard space, 2 excellent sized bedrooms, both with built-in robes, modern bathroom, European laundry, remote basement car park, split system heating, cooling, intercom and a private balcony and separate courtyard. All only 1 kilometre from Boronia Central. Be sure not to miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Inspection, we assure you, will not disappoint. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.